I've spoken to many women and I've spoken to the professionals that deal with them. And the stories I have heard in the last week, Deputy, would make you cry. I heard about a girl yesterday who's 14 years old, and she shared a picture with her then boyfriend, who went on to share it with his group of friends who kept sharing it. That girl has attempted suicide not once but twice. And her poor family are trying to put the pieces of that family back together again. And this drugging that you're talking about, that's a culture. That's a culture that has confronted women for a very long time. And it's reflected in the media. It's reflected even to this day in the reporting of what's going on, which is crime and sexual image abuse. And we talk about nudification like it's something cheeky and playful. There's a minimization of the effect on these young girls and women who are entitled to grow up and go out into the world without fear every time they step outside their front door, if they're being laughed at, if people are whispering about them. There's a cultural problem here. And people who are running these major platforms are giving voice to that cultural problem, which is, as you said, these people who shrug and don't care about women. But there's real damage being done here. There's self-harm, there's attempted suicide, there's the trauma to an entire family unit, not just an individual, which is terrible. And we just need to take it seriously. And you're the perfect people to do it. Fathers of children, mothers of children. Everybody knows a 14-year-old. Everybody knows a teenager in their life. Can you imagine a teenager feeling that on foot of an image going around that they cannot stop, that life is not worth living anymore?